Pastor Sharon Richter. I'm the pastor here at Trinity Lutheran Church in Pasadena. And we're here primarily interested in our ministry in working with the homeless and the poor. We also have a disability ministry. We're very interested in helping people who need a little helping hand, and that's what we do. We started this safe parking program that we operate here that just has a few spaces. It's 10 spaces right now for individuals who are living in their cars. And we operated this for about 2 years that the city didn't know. The neighbors didn't know. They had no idea. They had no problems. But as soon as they found out, then suddenly they were afraid of people who are just living in their cars because they're technically homeless. And they have preconceptions about who those people might be.
Everybody has their story of how they ended up on the street. We have people in the safe parking program who work, several, but they don't make enough money to rent a place. And it's so easy for someone to slip into homelessness.
I just felt like that wasn't supposed to happen to me. I was supposed to be this person that was gonna, eventually find my that career path, and I was supposed to be a police officer or a fire. I always thought I was gonna be in some kind of civil service, position, and I was gonna, it wasn't supposed to happen to me like this, But when I knew I had this place as a base, I was able to apply to work, and I got hired here in Pasadena, close by, and it was nice for me because I would get ready at the gym, and then I would come here and I would rest, and then I would get up and have the resources here, which is the restroom in the morning, got ready, and it was nice to be able to just go to work, and it would give me a sense of normalcy, when I knew I was still, out there, but it was a sense of normalcy.
The basic thing that safe parking provides is a safe place, that's in the name, that you can park to avoid being harassed or told to move on, and that you have access to bathrooms so that you don't have to go use the bushes somewhere, and so that you have a source of water to fill a jug or to wash yourself with. Showers are a bonus, but at least a bathroom is necessary. And then in addition to that, you can have a place where you can eat your meals and not, be skittering around from place to place. So it's a safe place. And as I mentioned before, it gives you the opportunity to be a part of a bigger thing than yourself. Other people who are also going through this same program that can be part of a support system for you. And so that's why people seek it out, because if you're doing it on your own, it can be very scary out there on the streets.
There's several things that inspire my advocacy work. One are the people that I've met who are advocates during my time when I was homeless, and how precious they were to my life. And if I can use my experience, which was very painful at times, scary, depressing, anxiety-ridden, trying to hold on to the faith that you're going to get through this. If I can help those people that are going through what I went through, then that would make my having to go through it worthwhile, that I can make it better for somebody else.
I can overcome things that I wouldn't have naturally been able to overcome if I was on my own and I didn't have the safe parking program. But because it's given me this platform, what I would ultimately like to convey, I guess the ultimate message would be just my faith. It's just given me that faith in humanity and being able to relate, and then being able to just be compassionate, but it's just the hope and it's given me my dignity back, you know, and that's what I think we all need, is just to be respected and acknowledged, and that's what I'm grateful for ultimately, is just the opportunity to give back, and I'm thankful for the program and the opportunity to be here.